fashion file. And it's a little hard to be a narcissistic YouTuber when you look at yourself with double chin, flabby arms, and ugly clothes and shoes. It's a silk wool scarf. It's called Fashioné Grand H scarf. And ooh, yay! Oh my gosh, it's long. Wow, and it's brand new because it still has a tag. I still love these ugly Crocs. Do you think they'll ever come back in fashion? Were they ever in fashion? Aren't people into ugly shoes now? Yay! What do you think?
Looks beautiful.
Oh, I love it.
The coloring is so nice on you.
Really?
Yeah, the inside dark lighting is not doing it justice.
It's tightly weaved.
Yeah.
Tighter weave than I feel like it's tighter weave than the 140
Normal
by
silk?
140.
Yeah, that's a looser weave. The cashmere.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
It's so silky,
soft.
and there's a beautiful shimmer to it.
Does it?
Yeah, you can't really see it in this lighting, but it is gorgeous shimmer.
And it's got little
tonal.
H's everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, tonal, which I like because it's not like in your face.
Another pattern.
Yeah, it's not another pattern. It's more neutral. And wait. Okay, I know it doesn't go with my shirt, but what do you think?
Gorgeous.
Does it go?
Yeah, for sure.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and click the bell notification so that you'd be notified every time I upload more videos. And take pity on this old delusional woman and subscribe. Okay.
Beautiful.
Thank you.